A luxury sports bag can look deceptively simple, carried onto a pickleball court or thrown over a shoulder daily.
It holds paddles, shoes, clothing, water bottles, and small essentials people need for an active, busy day.
Handles, trims, and decorative details on premium bags can be made from rare, carefully selected white Brahman bullhorn. Every horn has its own natural pattern and texture, meaning no two finished bag details are exactly alike. Luxury versions must perform like serious sports equipment, while also looking refined enough for everyday fashion wear. White Brahman bullhorn is dense and natural, able to be cleaned, shaped, polished, and finished into fine components. Selected horn pieces become accents, handles, clasps, and decorative fittings, combined with leather, fabric, lining, and hardware. Production begins as raw horns and bag materials arrive at the facility, delivered in carefully organized batches.
We need to clear this aisle before the next delivery. All right, just about there.
Leather, fabrics, metal hardware, thread, adhesives, and packaging supplies are each routed to their own storage sections. Once incoming materials are organized, the approved raw horns are ready to enter cleaning and preparation. Before shaping begins, each horn surface is cleaned to remove dirt, dust, and unwanted organic residue. Moisture control matters greatly, since improperly dried horn material can make later cutting inconsistent and unreliable. After drying, horns are sorted again by size, thickness, color, and their most usable natural sections. The clean, dried, and sorted horn material is now ready to enter cutting and precise forming stages.
Horn does not require mixing like liquids. Instead, this stage focuses on precise cutting and shaping. Cutting equipment separates usable horn pieces from the larger natural form, with steady, controlled precision.
Some components need thin sections, while others require thicker blanks for stronger handles and hardware.
The material gradually transforms from an irregular natural form into standardized, factory-ready horn blanks. Machines make straight, controlled cuts while skilled workers monitor, since natural horn behaves differently than plastic. Every cut is planned carefully to maximize usable material and preserve the horn's most attractive natural patterns. Now the raw horn begins its most dramatic transformation, moving into machining, grinding, and shaping equipment. Controlled heat may assist forming and stabilization, depending on the specific horn component being produced. First comes rough shaping, removing material gradually until the horn piece nears its intended form.
Finer grinding then creates the precise profile needed for a handle, clasp, or decorative fitting.
Progressively finer abrasives smooth the surface, preparing the horn piece for its final polished finish. The goal is not simply smaller size, but clean edges, consistent dimensions, and a refined surface. Polishing wheels bring out a glossy shine, revealing the horn's natural pattern in full clarity. The irregular raw material has now become a refined, precision-made manufacturing component ready for assembly.
A final quality pass under bright light checks each horn piece before it moves toward assembly.
Once the horn parts are ready, they finally meet the rest of the sports bag components.
The assembly floor brings together materials that began their separate journeys through preparation and cutting. Prepared horn components are fitted into designator locations, becoming decorative elements on the bag's design.
Some horn pieces become part of a handle or fastening system, secured with precision and care.
Adhesives, stitching, rivets, and screws are used depending on the exact design of each fitting.
Piece by piece, the product begins to look unmistakably like a finished luxury sports bag.
Final assembly touches bring together zippers, straps, and horn fittings into one completed sports bag.
But appearance alone is not enough. Every luxury bag must pass strict inspection before leaving the factory.
Workers examine stitching, seams, hardware, zippers, dimensions, and surface finish across every finished bag.
Precision tools take measurements, while visual inspection under controlled lighting reveals any hidden surface imperfections. If a component fails inspection, it may be repaired, refinished, replaced, or rejected from the batch. This stage protects the brand's reputation and the confidence of the person who eventually carries the bag. Once approved, the finished luxury sports bags move steadily toward the packaging and boxing stations.
Labels, tags, and care information are added before each bag enters its protective packaging.
Each bag is placed into protective packaging before being grouped carefully into sturdy shipping cartons. Conveyors and organized packing stations help maintain a steady, calm flow throughout the packaging line. Cartons are sealed, labeled, and prepared for palletizing at the final stage of packaging. The goal is to protect every finished bag while making each shipment easy to identify and track. From packaging, the sealed cartons enter the warehouse for organized storage and inventory tracking. Forklifts and pallet-moving equipment transport cartons into organized storage locations across the facility. Barcodes and inventory systems record exactly where each shipment of finished bags is located.
Tall rack systems maximize floor space, while scanners help workers locate specific bag shipments quickly.
This quiet stage is critical. The finished bag now waits calmly for the right order and destination. Cartons are secured inside delivery trucks or transferred into larger logistics networks for distribution. From here, the bags travel toward distributors, regional warehouses, and specialty sporting goods retailers.
What started as an irregular natural horn has now traveled through cleaning, cutting, machining, and polishing. But the journey is not complete until someone finally uses the finished luxury sports bag. The entire industrial process becomes almost invisible, hidden behind one polished, finished product.
She feels the materials carefully, deciding whether the bag belongs in her everyday active routine.
It might carry pickleball paddles to a morning match on a bright, calm court.
bag might also hold personal essentials during a relaxed and comfortable weekend trip away.
A natural material that began as an irregular raw form was transformed through skilled preparation and craftsmanship.
From the first unloading dock to the final moment on the court, every stage had a purpose.